I think I need to go back to school for another year or two. That was a little bit challenging. All right, we're going to move on to another game here. I'm going to bring our mysterious pink bucket down, and I'm going to ask a random volunteer. I'm going to move into the... Actually, you know what? I'm not going to move into the crowd. I'm going to come right here. I'm going to get one of you little ladies here to pick a card. Please. Anyone? Ooh, that's a good one. What's your name? Sherry. Sherry has selected Typewriter, one of our favorites. Let's hear it for Sherry. Okay, Typewriter is a great game. We're going to be using our team over here. One of our players is going to be coming forth as though they are a very famous author. They're going to pull out their typewriter, they're going to have a seat, and the remaining of the players are going to be responsible for playing out that story as it goes along. Now this is a tricky game because sometimes the author might be leading the story, and if the players don't like where that story is going, they can take over. So let's hear it for our games. Oh yes. I also need to find out from you here we go. I need to find out from you the name of a story that you wish existed but never really did.
Alice in Wonderland.
Let's hear something that doesn't actually exist, but you think would be a really great read.
Happy Marriage.
Yes. What about you? We're going to call this story Happy Marriage.
All right, let me see. I can't sleep and she's snoring. Which side am I going to? What do I really want? What is... a happy marriage. Fiction at its best. Well, let me see here. Let me see. We'll start somewhere in the book. It was a nice beach they were in the south. The water was warm, the sand was hot, the sun was high. A light breeze blew across, and you could hear the wind blow across the greenery. The characters are Marge and Bill. Bill looks into Marge's eyes, and he says,
"Can I get back to the office? This sand is getting in my toes."
Oh, sweetie, you promised that we would go to the beach today and you were gonna surf for me.
"Oh, surf for me. I wonder, is that a strong enough metaphor? Will people understand what surf actually means?" Okay, I'll make it surf and turf. That ought to build it up.
All right, I'll get in the water as long as I get to eat at the same time.
So Bill, he gets towards the water, but stops at the last minute because he finally realized what surf and turf really means. It's not about food or the water, and Bill loses everything he has. He just throws it ahead into the water and turns to Marge.
That's full of sharks! What are you trying to do to me?
Why? Nothing, dear. I just knew that you were so brave, that you were so handsome.
No, stop. Marge, she's being too, what's the word here?
Wait a minute, I like this part. No, this is good. This is good, it's great.
My alter ego is kicking in here. No, Bill must share the truth. Marge will tell him the truth.
You scratch the whole night while you're sleeping and you snore. Get in the water.
If I go in the water, we get to go back home, I get to go to the office, you get to lie around and watch Ellie or whatever you're smoking.
Bill, I actually brought you to the beach with the beautiful sun and the waves and the sharks because I wanted to tell you about Pete.
Oh, Pete, yes. Pete was on the plane with him, but Bill didn't notice because he was playing with all of his Indigo's gadgets and stuff like that, working with the office. So now we have a white elephant in the room, if you would, plus Pete, who is sort of a, well, he's big and he's white, so we have two big white elephants in the room.
Well, Pete, just give me a second here. Both will be very happy.
Oh, Pete, being the strong man that he is, he calls for Bill at the last second.
Bill!
But Pete is also confused and believes that he is now engaged to Bill.
What is it now?
I've always loved you, Bill. I was just with her because I thought it would bring me closer to you.
What?
Sorry, he's just such a great person.
It's true.
No, he's not. He scratches while he sleeps.
Well, I don't have to sleep with him. I just have to be friends with him.
Wait a minute. The sleeping is part of it.
Yes, so Pete drops down onto one knee to give Bill the ring back. And Bill drops on one knee too because he got confused. And Mart looks at the sharks confused with what she should be doing. I can't wait to hear what they say.
Marge,
Yes, Bill.
would you marry us?